Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we discuss the ways how to call the person who you love in Russian. Will be very nice topic, so stay with me. First way how to call a person affectionately is just to change the form of his or her name. My name is Nastya, for example, but I can be called by many different ways with diminutive forms, and my name will be changed like Nastyusha, Nastenka, Nastyona, and million others, and all these forms of my name will sound affectionately. For example, Ira, Irочка, or Nastya, Nastenka, Vasya, Vasenka, Katya, Katinka, Katyusha, Sveta, Svetочка. So the person who you call like this will be happy because it sounds really nice. Also, you can call a person by words that express love. For example, любимый, любимая, любимый, любимая, милый, милая, милый, милая, дорогой, дорогая, дорогой, дорогая, родной, родная, родной, родная, малыш, малыш. You're gonna say also мой малыш, for example, мой малыш. Also will be very nice. Other words: радость, моя радость, моя радость, мое счастье, счастье, моя любовь, мое солнце, or also you can say мое солнышко, мой ангел, мой ангел, жизнь моя, my life. Also the words like лапочка. This is how my grandfather called me usually. Лапочка. Or золотце, золото, золото мое. Also крошка sound a bit funny, but anyway. Also you can say красотка if you call a woman красотка, or красавица, красавица моя. Also we have a lot of words that means like different animals, yeah, and usually of course this is a cute animals, but depends on what kind of relationship you have. Maybe you have your own, funny names, but most popular котик, or котенок, рыбка. This is also how my grandfather called me. Рыбка, пчелка, птичка, or very popular is зайка, or зайчик, медвежонок, maybe медвежонок. Guys, write me in comments what words usually you like to use when you speak about people who you love. Would be very nice to hear. Maybe you have any special words in your language, that are different from Russian ones. And also, if you are interested in learning Russian, in description to this video will be all the information, and there you can book a class with me. See you soon.